This is the question which we have faced in the JEE Mains 2026 Shift 1, and this question is from some basic concepts of chemistry. The question says that 14 gram of calcium metal is allowed to react with excess HCl at 1 atm pressure and 273 Kelvin. Which of the following statements is incorrect? So molar mass of calcium they have given here, and chlorine as well as hydrogen atom here. So calcium reacts with excess of HCl. So let me write the equation between the calcium. So we know very well that Ca reacts with 2 moles of HCl will give rise CaCl2 plus hydrogen gas will be liberated. Correct. So according to the balanced equation, 1 mole of calcium, 2 mole of hydrochloric acid, and 1 mole of calcium chloride, and 1 mole of hydrogen. Okay, so let us just check with the one by one option here. 7.84 liters here, 7.84 liters of H2 gas is evolved. That means 7.84 of H2 gas is evolved. We need to check it. But one condition they have given here, 14 grams of calcium metal. This is fixed. So how many grams they have given here? 14 grams they have given here. So then we need to check from 14 grams how many liters of hydrogen is liberated. So from the above equation, it is very simple. So since it is in the grams, what is the gram atomic weight of calcium? That is 40 grams. So this 40 grams gives 1 mole of hydrogen. So 1 mole of hydrogen means we need in the liters. That means it is 22.4 liters. Okay, so I am going to relate with these two. Okay, let me write it in the very simple form here. 1 mole, that is 40 grams of calcium, gives 1 mole of hydrogen gas. 1 mole always occupy 22.4 liters of hydrogen gas. But how many grams of calcium we have? That is 14 grams. So 14 grams of calcium gives X liters of hydrogen. Then if you do the calculation, X is equals to 14 into 22.4 divided by 40. Then answer will be, if you calculate it, you will be getting 7.84 liter. 7.84 liter of what? 7.84 liter of hydrogen gas. So from this, what we have found out here, 7.84 liter. So option 1 is correct. They are asking which is the incorrect statement. Okay, let us focus on second one. 0.35 mole of H2 gas is evolved, is asking here. So convert this liters into the moles. How we can convert this into the moles here? When number of moles is equals to given volume in the liter divided by 22.4. This is 7.84 divided by 22.4. So the answer will be, if you do the calculation, 0.35 liters. So I'm sorry, 0.35 moles, because it is the number of moles. So 0.35 mole. So we got it. So that means hydrogen gas with respect to the liter volume will be 7.84. The same with respect to the moles will be 0.35 moles. Okay, so let me check the option 2. Yes, 0.35 mole of H2 gas is evolved. That means this statement is also a correct. This is also correct. This is also correct statement. But what is our main agenda? To identify the incorrect statement. Incorrect statement. Next, calcium chloride is produces how much here? 33.3. Okay, so then let us focus here. Okay, so here also 1 mole of calcium will give rise to formation of 1 mole of calcium chloride. What is the 1 mole of calcium chloride? Mass will be, so remember here 1 mole is nothing but 311 gram per mole. 311 gram per mole. So let me calculate it. So 1 mole of calcium give rise to 311 gram per mole, right, of CaCl₂. Okay, so let me write it as 311 gram. Okay, now how many grams we have right now of calcium? That is, we have 14 grams. So 14 grams. So 14 grams of calcium means X. So let me take this is in the grams itself. So X is equals to 14 into 311. Okay, and divided by 1 mole. What we can do here means, in the place of mole, we will take it 40 grams of calcium. Here, 1 mole means 40 grams per mole. So 40 grams of calcium will give us 311 grams. So divided by 40. Then if you do it, the calculation, you will be getting 38.85 grams. So what is this 38.85 grams? That is CaCl₂ has been formed. So but here, how much they have given here? 33.3. But how much we got it? 38.85. There is a lot of difference. That means this is the incorrect statement. So this is the incorrect statement. That means the answer is option 3. And in the option 4, the limiting reagent is calcium metal. Yes, because they have taken excess of HCl. This indicates that the calcium is a limiting reagent. So therefore, this sentence is also correct. Only the option 3 will be the incorrect. So I hope you have understood the calculation. Okay. Thank you so much.